era of online learning has finally arrived and it is here to stay for decades and change the way people are going to learn and educate themselves. The size of the online education market globally was expected to hit $350 billion by the year 2025. And these were the projections when COVID 19 hadn't hit us. So you can imagine when COVID 19 impact is taken into consideration, and we've already seen the rise in online learning due to this, what the new projections will be. Those numbers will be absolutely crazy, especially because both the corporates and the universities education sector have started accepting online learning as the preferred medium. They have become more flexible. Adoption has increased and is increasing day by day, month on month. Hello, my friend. I am Robin and I am your digital growth strategist and business automation expert. I am here today to discuss the 5 advantages that online learning offers and why I think it is the best. Right? So let's get straight to the video without wasting any more time. First advantage is convenience. We live in an era where you can learn anything, anywhere, anytime, right? You do not have to travel every single time or most of the times to learn something. Even if it is at a short distance within your city, you can do that at home. And most importantly, you have full convenience of time. You want to learn something at night, you want to learn something in the morning, in the evening, you can plan that. Most of the courses are available as form of recorded sessions, right? So it's completely dependent on you. So eventually you do not have any physical foundation or any term foundation. In fact, you have full flexibility with yourself. Let's get to the second advantage, which is unlimited opportunity to learn. There are innumerable platforms these days in the market where you can go and learn new things. Skillshare, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Udacity, right? Coursera. From an Indian context, there is Byju's, there is Unacademy, which are touching new heights every day. These platforms are helping thousands and millions of students and teachers at the same time, right? And in fact, there is no limitation to the things that you can learn these days. You can be a 3-year-old child, right? A 14-year-old teenager. You can be into your 30s. You can be a 50-year-old guy, 70-year-old person. And that, like, everyone has access to same kind of information, right? You can learn any single thing in the world. If you decide that you want to learn how to play guitar at 50 years of age, right? You can do that. We are no more limited to the physical scope of that thing right now. You can learn it all online. You have amazing teachers, amazing people who are teaching guitar or anything else for that matter. You can have subject knowledge like mathematics, science, how to run a business, how to do photography, how to do singing, how to do dancing. Every single thing is available right now in your scope. So what I want to say is that there are no limitations. In fact, you just need a good internet and then the whole world is your school. Now let's discuss the third advantage, which is a very critical one. It's comfortable atmosphere for students. See, I've seen across my life, even I have been one of the students who were a bit shy to bring about their doubts, right? Or put them in a class discussion or discuss in a face-to-face setup. So what online education has done is, it has given a huge opportunity and comfort to this shy and reticent students to have discussions, right? To put their questions ahead so that they can understand better, and eventually it is accelerating their learning progress and development. Fourth advantage is quick feedback mechanism. Right? Most of the learning platforms these days are quite advanced and they offer you instantaneous feedback from the students that are learning with you online, right? Or the platform itself. It also generates solutions for you, right? Automatic recommendations and feedback, as well as the teachers or coaches who are available online. What this does is this increases your learning curve exponentially, right? This speeds up the process. And at the same time, a lot of these platforms run on machine learning, right? And as and how they proceed, they can use its power to understand the patterns that a set of students follow or an individual student follow, and using the algorithms, the logics, the machine learning concepts, they can accordingly customize and personalize the content for people, right? Which again exponentially increases the learning curve. So in totality, the feedback mechanism that a person, that a student, that anyone gets right now is much more expedited, is much more accelerated. Now let's come to the fifth and the final advantage, which is affordable cost. Online learning costs are much more affordable than the traditional setup because of some of these reasons which I'm going to share. The first reason being no commuting cost. Like I said, you do not have to travel somewhere, right? Second, a lot of the textbooks which are like recommended in the traditional setup, over which you spend a lot of money, a lot of them are available in the form of free PDFs or ebooks these days, right? So you save on a lot of cost that way. Third point is, since it's the world of online learning, so there are 50, 100 people teaching the same thing, right? And you have access to them at the same point of time. Your accessibility is much higher. That means there is much higher competition and you have much more options to learn from. Hence, that brings down the price. And then there are free learning platforms. The one that comes to my mind is YouTube, where we know the maximum population of the world comes in. There are so many people teaching so many things through YouTube. People have made thousands of millions of dollars through YouTube, right? And that is what you can do. And in fact, Udemy also offers, I guess, some free courses. So in totality, what I want to summarize from these 5 advantages is that no one can deny the power of online learning. It is on an incredible, crazy growth right now because there is unlimited potential and in fact possibility of replacing offline learning or traditional learning to some extent. And why I am so confident about this is because internet penetration is increasing day by day, month on month, not only in the urban areas but also in the rural areas as well. Corporates and universities have become much more accepting of this. They've become much more flexible and are trying to bring more and more courses online, right? Students, entrepreneurs, employees are happy learning from home, working from home. Governments everywhere have started preferring digital learning so much. They are bringing in new policies. So if you are one of those people who are still thinking, then please stop. Explore this beautiful power of online learning and like maybe learn something which you always wanted to but could never because of the limited scope and limited availability. You can do that now. Online learning gives you wings. So take those wings and fly. Why wait? And when you do that, when you learn new things, I want you to come to the comment box over here under my video and tell me what new things have you started learning and how has online learning helped you. And before I leave, if you enjoyed my video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel so that I remain motivated to make more and more of these videos which help you gain more knowledge, enjoy them, and that's my eventual purpose. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.